Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the remote control of the LG air conditioner. This is on-off button of the air conditioner, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. The mode button of this air conditioner is located under the cover. This is the mode button, and with itself we can change the mode of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 4 modes: cooling, auto, drying, and heating modes. Since most users use the air conditioner for cooling purposes, we will now start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button, and when the snowflake symbol appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we adjust the temperature of the air conditioner between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius. It is recommended to keep it below 22 degrees Celsius because it can cause colds. We can select any speed of the air conditioner with the help of the fan button. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, auto. In the bedroom, the fan can be set to a low speed so that it does not disturb you. If we want our air conditioner to consume less energy, it is recommended to always set the temperature to 24 degrees Celsius. We can use the swing button to move the blind of the air conditioner. Sometimes it happens that we want our room to cool down quickly. In this case, we can use the jet cool button. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner will operate at the highest speed for 30 minutes and when return to the previous fan speed mode. There are other buttons under the cover. For example, when the sleep button is pressed, the symbol appears in the corner of the screen. Every time this button is pressed, it is possible to see number from 1 to 7. This is the setting of the sleep button. When the sleep button is pressed, the air conditioner will raise the temperature of the air conditioner in the hour interval we give. For example, if we set the air conditioner to 22 degrees Celsius while lying in bed and set the sleep button, for example, 1 hour, then the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 Celsius every 30 minutes. That is, after 1 hour, the air conditioner temperature will be set to 24 degrees. If we set it to 2 hours, it will raise the temperature by 24 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. When the same button is pressed in heating mode, it will lower the temperature by 1 degree every 30 minutes. To switch to other modes of the air conditioner, we press the mode button again. We press the second function button, then we press the timer on and set it to the time we want. PM 10. After that, we press set. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the set temperature at the same level. For example, if we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius in this mode, if the temperature drops below 25 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is rise above, it will work in cooling mode. When we press the mode button again, the air conditioner switches to drying mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. When we press the mode button again, a sun symbol appears on the screen. This is heating mode. In heating mode, it is recommended to set the temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. It is recommended that you set the fan speed to auto speed in heating mode. Since in this mode, the fan speed of the air conditioner is controlled by the microprocessor, the air conditioner will work more efficiently. At the same time, the evaporator will freeze only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. In air conditioner, the fan mode is usually selected with the mode button, but there is a separate bed button for this mode on this remote control. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner will work as a regular fan. To return to other modes, we need to press the mode button again. In order for the timer mode of the air conditioner to work properly, we must first set the clock. For this, we press the reset button of the air conditioner. Then we press the on-off button. Then we press the second function button. Now we see that the clock is flashing. Let's say that the time is now PM 2.00 hours. We set it with the help of these buttons. And confirm by the button set. We can set the timer now that our clock is set. For example, if you want your air conditioner to turn on at PM 10 o'clock and turn off at AM 6 o'clock, then set the timer like this. We press the second function button, then we press the timer on and set it to the time we want. PM 10. After that, we press set. We set the timer off button at AM 6 and press the set button. Timer off button and AM 6. Now our timer will turn on every day at PM 10 and turn off at AM 6. We will need to press the cancel button to exit the timer mode. Thank you for following us until the end.